afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. You'll find me here today over on Finstock Close, which is a lovely quiet cul-de-sac located within walking distance and within catchment to both St Gilbert's and St Patrick's schooling. So you do have here a fabulous chain-free 3-bedroom detached property. Got new flooring throughout, it's been recently decorated, and as I mentioned, it's coming to the market chain-free. So you've got this fabulous open plan living and dining space with the separate kitchen, but as you can see there, the potential to knock through and create the open plan kitchen diner with the bifold out onto the back garden. But just as we enter into the property, you do have the downstairs WC for the added convenience of a busy family home. So you've got access out into the rear garden via the kitchen door as well as the patio doors off the dining space. Space in the kitchen here, as you can see, for your washing machine and fridge freezer. And out to the back you've got that detached garage with the front and side access. And then a fabulous rear garden. Nice timeless 3-piece white bathroom suite just as we come to the top of the stairs here, which then complements the 3 generously sized bedrooms. Loft access just off the landing also. And as you can see and appreciate the size of this fabulous rear garden, which does benefit from the sun. So we are in the second of the 2 doubles, overlooking the rear garden. Master is positioned to the front. Plenty of space in here to accommodate a king size bed. And then lastly, a generous single bedroom, which comes complete with a fitted storage cupboard. And as you saw as we came into the property, you do have off-road parking, as well as that detached garage. So as I mentioned, we are over on Finstock Close with this fabulous 3-bedroom detached property, which is coming to the market chain-free, located within catchment to local outstanding schooling, which is highly regarded, and you are also local to excellent amenities. You've got the small Asda and Lidl, both of which are within walking distance to the property, and then really easy access to the traffic centre and further afield with the excellent motorway links that surround yourself here. Out onto this beautiful rear garden, which you can see you spend hours enjoying the sun. Now if you're interested in coming along and taking a view with this fabulous property, then please give the office a call, 0161 707 4900.